Alright, so today we are doing a Nissan Rogue exhaust temperature sensor. I'm under the passenger side of the Rogue, and there is the sensor right there. See that long little skinny probe? That's it. Connector goes, the white connector right there, it'll go up top. See, and there's the other end of it. Right there. So that you can get to up top, but to get to the sensor itself, you probably could sneak past here, but I'm doing it from underneath, so better visual. Let's go over here on this side. Alright. Where's it at? So there it is right there. So you see how the plate interferes with any kind of standard wrench, so it will do so, and just screws right in. So what I used was a line wrench, a swivel line wrench. That way it can grip around it and at least bust it loose. Once it's busted loose, it's fine. It's a whole lot easier to get. You can use a standard wrench to get it off, but you don't want to strip it off, because obviously a whole lot more pain in the ass to get taken off. So here is the old one, and the whole thing doesn't turn, just the thread. So it's like any kind of power steering hose or something like that. It just seats into position, this lines up with the threads and spins. So this is the only part that you have to worry about it actually spinning. But yeah, I got a line wrench on there, cracked it loose, and then I was able to use a standard 14mm wrench in order to get it the rest of the way. But once it started spinning, I was able to spin it off the rest with my hand. I do put a little bit anti-seize going back on, so it makes it thread just as easy. And if you do notice that you have a problem threading it back on, stop, take it back out, put a tap and die in there, clean that exhaust pipe out, because most exhaust bolts rust up, things like that. So put a tap in there, clean out the threads, put some PV blaster in as you're going in and out, and that'll clean that up and make that go on a whole lot easier, so that way it does not snap off, and then you get to replace a catalytic converter. Yippee. But that is what that is, and this is for the exhaust temperature sensor probe circuit code. So that is what we did today. Gonna clear it, let it run, and be good to roll. Any questions, comments, let me know.